Hi guys, welcome back once again. So guys, this time I saw this amazing opportunity by Cisco, okay? So Cisco is offering this 30 hours free Python certification course, okay? So what is this is like this is like PI's Python Institute here, okay? So this is Python Essential 1, okay? So the course is a part of learning collection Python, okay? This is a full, full Python like beginners to end advanced version. So here you are going to earn batches. Okay. So once you complete the, so one, two, three, four, five, five batches are there, right? And can you see different types of this thing are there, right? So the first one is Python Essential 1 course batch, then achievements, and then achievement introduction to Python programming, data variables, basics, and controls flow and list, right? So these are different types of batches that you are going to earn. Okay. And this is by Cisco, so this is also very trusted, right? This is one of the tech giant company, right? So learn fundamental concept of programming language of computer programming and start building coding skills with the Python programming language. And we know, guys, right now Python is in demand in the industry, right? If you are a Python developer, if you know Python, then there is a high chances that you will be getting job, right? So irrespective of you are working in company or working professional or you are in your college, if you love coding, if you want to get a good career, you should do these kind of thing, right? And these are free of course, right? So, free of cost. So can you see it's free 30 hours beginner, 30 labs and self-paced. So it's like whenever you get time, you come here and you see the video and learn it, right? So can you see it's like module 1 introduction to Python computer programming, okay? Then Python data types, then Boolean conditional statement, loops, then functions, tuples, dictionaries. Like can you see, and each has the multiple sections also. So if you see introduction to Python programming has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 video. At the last there is completion one module test, right? So after every module, they are asking, one module test also. So this is, it's very good for beginners, right? Even, if you have any doubts, even if I've learned it, okay, and do come here, do it, earn batches, post in LinkedIn, right? This is actually going to boost your profile, right? So इसलिए ये सब कोर्स करना आसान रहता है. तो गाइस जैसे जैसे मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा मिलता है मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करता हूँ, right? So I will paste this link in our description. You can, come here and you can share with your friends, family, and in a college groups if you think this can be relevant for someone, right? Because you guys see Cisco की तरफ से batches मिलने वाले हैं, which is going to be which is going to add very much valuable in your resume, right? So you should definitely do. So guys, if you are new to my channel, if you like these type of videos, if you like my effort, please consider liking my video, please consider subscribing my channel, okay? And do share it with your groups, friends, family, college groups, colleagues, everyone, right? So that someone should get benefited from this, right? And guys, if you see in my channel, I've posted lots of video, right? And guys, the CDMA internship, government internship date is reaching, right? End date is tomorrow. So do immediately come and apply for this, right? And see all these cybersecurity courses there, right? TCS IN free courses is there, right? And the internship by AICT and Oppo India, right? So all these kind of stuffs, guys, I post in my channel. So it's a humble request, if you like these type of things, please do consider subscribing it and liking my channel, and do share it as much as you can. Thank you so much.